Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Maths Insights. Today we are going to discuss very important topic in geometry, that is what are meant by similar triangles and what are the criteria to say that two triangles are similar. After completion of these two concepts, we will solve some problems on those two concepts, then the concept will become very easy. First, we will discuss what are meant by similar triangles. If two triangles are said to be similar if they satisfy two conditions. The first condition is corresponding angles of the two triangles must be equal and the ratio of corresponding sides must be equal. Otherwise, the ratio of corresponding sides should be in proportional. So I am writing the two conditions. The first condition is corresponding angles equal. This is the first one. Second one is corresponding sides ratio is equal or proportional. Okay, if any two triangles satisfy these two conditions, we will say that those two triangles are similar triangles. I am taking an example. See, let it be triangle A, B, C. Take another triangle, that is D, E, F. As per the condition 1, corresponding angles must be equal. That means angle A of the first triangle should be equals to angle D of the second triangle. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding. Similarly, angle B is equals to angle E, and finally angle C is equals to angle F. Along this condition, they have to satisfy the second one also, that is corresponding sides ratio or ratio of corresponding sides must be equal. See, I am taking side AB. For this side, you have DE as its corresponding side. Therefore, AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. Finally, for the side AC, you have DF as its corresponding sides. This is the first condition and this is the second condition. If these two conditions are satisfied, then these two triangles are said to be similar, and we will write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This symbol is used to show that two triangles are similar. Not only two triangles, whatever the geometrical figures, geometrical shapes, geometrical objects are similar, then we will put this symbol between those objects or shapes or triangles. Now, these ratios are equal. Let the value of the ratio is 2k. If you calculate AB by DE, we will get one value. Similarly, BC by EF, you will get another one which is same to previous one, and finally AC by DF. All these are equal. Now I am letting its value as k. If k is equals to 1, then we are going to construct a triangle which is congruent to the original one, and same triangle we are going to construct same triangle. If k is greater than 1, we are going to construct a triangle which is larger than the original one. And finally, if k is less than 1, we are going to construct a triangle which is small to the original one, that means diminished one. I will explain this by taking an example. Suppose I am taking, see, this is triangle ABC, and second one let it be DEF. Let the length of this side is 2 centimeters or 2 meters, whatever it may be. Let it be 4. See, if it is 3, this is 6, suppose, and this is 4, this is 8. Then I am taking the ratio of the corresponding sides. For the side AB, corresponding side is DE. Therefore, 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 and also see 4 by 8. In all these cases, we will get the value 1 by 2, which is less than 1. That means the first one is smaller than the second one. These two are similar, but in size, the first one is smaller than the second one. Whatever the triangle you are taking in the numerator, that is to be compared whether it is a larger or smaller. If you take a bigger triangle, suppose if you are taking the values of the sides first, then it will become 4 by 2, that is equals to 6 by 3, that is equals to 8 by 4. In all these cases, we will get a value 2 which is greater than 1. That means you have taken the values of this triangle first in the numerator. Therefore, you have to say that this triangle is larger than this triangle, but they have same shape but not same size. The first one is, that means here the first one will become this one. Why? Because the measurements of this triangle are taken in numerator. That's why you have to say, by taking this triangle is greater or larger in size when compared to this triangle, and the values are equal. And if it is 4 and 4, 8 and 8, 6 and 6, then those two triangles will become congruent. That means they will be same in shape and size. Now we will learn what are the criteria, what are the conditions to say that two triangles are similar. First criteria to say that two triangles are similar is AAA criteria. AAA stands for angle, angle, angle. So it says that if the angles or the corresponding angles of first triangle are equal to the second triangle, and then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then we will say that those two triangles are similar. First condition, what it says that corresponding angles equal. So I am taking two triangles as we said previously, ABC, and this is DEF. What they are giving the data is corresponding angles are equal. That means for angle A, corresponding angle will become D, and for angle B it will become E, and finally for angle C it will become angle F. That means angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and finally angle C is equals to angle F. They didn't give that the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, but if corresponding angles of first triangle are equals to second triangle, then the ratio of sides which are opposite to the equal angles, if you see, these two are equal angles and the side opposite to angle A is BC, and also for angle D is EF. Similarly, this angle B is equals to angle E as per the data given, and the sides opposite to these two angles, that means the side opposite to angle B is AC. AC by here it will become DF. Finally, you have another pair of equal angles, that is angle C and angle F. The sides opposite to them are AB and AB by here DE. Then we got the ratio of corresponding sides are also equal. As we discussed, if corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of corresponding sides is same or in proportional, then we say that two triangles are similar and these two triangles are satisfying those two conditions. Therefore, these will become similar triangles. Therefore, we may write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. In this criteria, there is an important note. What is that? See, you have to note this one. Sometimes they will give you two angles, two corresponding angles are equal. Then by the property of sum of angles of a triangle, third angle will also become equal. Suppose if they have given angle, then automatically by the property of sum of angles of a triangle, third angle will also become equal. Then we will follow the same procedure as we discussed earlier in this criteria. This is said to be AA criteria. So AA criteria. By AA criteria, we may say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now we will go to the second one. Second criteria is yes. This stands for side, side, side. Now in this case, what they are giving is the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Then the angles opposite to them are equal. Then we will say that two triangles are similar. They are not giving angles. They are saying that the first condition what they are giving. Suppose if you take two triangles, again I am taking ABC, which are very easy, and DEF. This is DEF. They are saying that the ratio of corresponding sides, see for the side AB, the corresponding side is DE, and also for side BC, the corresponding side will become EF. Similarly, AC by C, this is DF. They are giving this only. They are not saying that the angles are equal. But whenever the ratio of corresponding sides equal, then angles opposite to them will become equal. See, in this case, AB and DE. AB, for side AB, you have this angle, and for DE, this angle. These two angles will become equal. And also BC, here BC, this is the side BC, and the side opposite to it is angle A. Here it will become angle D. Finally, for side AC, this is side AC, the angle opposite to them is angle B. Here also angle B. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle D and angle B is equals to angle E. Finally, angle C is equals to angle F. So we got two conditions. As we discussed in the initial stages of this video, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides must be same or in proportional. Therefore, we will say that two triangles, that is triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DEF. By this may say that the converse of the first criteria. This is the second one. Now we will go to the third one. The third one is yes. It stands for side angle side. What it says that if an angle of one triangle is equal to the angle corresponding angle of the second triangle, and if the sides which are including this angle are in proportional, then we say that those two triangles are similar. Very simple. This angle is in between the two sides. So I am taking again ABC, and this is ABC, and this is DEF. See, you may take any angle which is corresponding to that angle. I am taking angle A. They are saying that if an angle of first triangle is equals to second triangle, and the sides which are included this angle, see, this angle is in between two sides. This is the first side and this is the second side, and this is the first side and this is the second side. Then these two triangles are said to be similar. Now angle A is equals to, for example, angle D, and AB by DE. These are the sides which are including the angle A, and the second ratio of corresponding sides is AC by DF. Then we will say that two triangles are similar. This is very simple. SAS, angle side and side. One angle of first triangle is equals to corresponding angle of the second triangle, and the sides which are including this angle are in proportion. Then we say that triangle ABC, okay, similar to triangle DEF. These are the main criteria to say that two triangles are similar. Basing on this, we will solve important problems. Then these concepts will become very simple and very easy. This is the first problem. See, the problem says that a person 1.65 meters tall casts 1.8 meters shadow. At the same instant, this is very important, at the same time, a lamp post casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. Find the height of the lamp post. See, this problem is solved by using the criteria what we discussed. What are the criteria? We discussed A. Second one is S. Third one is SAS. Angle, side, and side, angle, side. Then we will say that two triangles are similar. See, a person, say I am taking the height of the person here and shadow will be here. Okay, I am taking for example. Then we may join these two. Okay, let it be AB and C. This is height of the person and this is the shadow of the person. Similarly, a lamp post. See, let it be lamp post here. It is casting a shadow. Okay. At the same time, a lamp post casts a shadow. The lamp post is casting a shadow of length. See, this is 5.4 meters. Then find the height of the lamp post. See, the lamp post is here. We have to find height of this lamp post. Let it be X and join these two also. Let it be D, E, F. And here a person 1.65 meters and the length of the shadow is this 1.8 meters. Then you have to find the height of the lamp post. First, we will prove that these two triangles are similar. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. All of you know, shadow of the angle between the person and the shadow is 90 degrees. That is simple. then we will say that that is a shadow. And here in triangle DEF, angle E is equals to 90 degrees. Two angles are equal, and see, this angle is equals to this angle is equals to this angle. Why? Because it is saying that at same instant, at the same time, means these two are parallel to each other, then the angle subtended by them will become equal. That means angle C is equals to, here angle C is equals to angle F. Then two angles, that means angle B, angle E, angle C and angle F are equal. Then by criteria, you know, if two angles are equal, by the property of sum of angles, automatically third angle will also become equal. Then by the criteria AAA, the two triangles ABC and DEF are similar. Therefore by AAA criteria, okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Automatically the ratio of corresponding sides will become equal. See, we have three pairs of corresponding sides, but we will take only two ratios which are useful to us. See, this is not useful, these two are useful. Therefore for the side AB, the corresponding side is DE. Therefore ratio of corresponding sides, that is equals to AB, this is AB by DE, that is equals to BC by EF. I am taking only two ratios which are useful to us. That implies to the value of AB is 1.65, this is 1.65 by DE. DE is, we don't know, we assumed that it has X, that is equals to BC by EF, that means 1.8 by this is EF is 5.4. so 18 ones are 18 threes are. On cross multiplication, we will get X is equals to 1.65 into 3, which gives 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 6s are 18, 19, 1, 3 1s are 3, 4. So 4.95. Since the units they have given are meters, therefore meters. What we assumed X as the height of the lamp. Therefore height of the lamp is equals to see, this is 4.95 meters. Therefore by using the criteria AAA, we solve this problem. We will solve next problem. This is the second problem. It is seeming lengthy, but it is very easy. A man sees the top of a tower in a mirror which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. The mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror and his height is 1.5 meters. Then find the height of the mirror. Very simple. This is also solved using the concept of similarity of two triangles. I am starting by taking the height of the person. Say the person is here, okay, and the tower is here, and the mirror is in between them somewhere, and the height of the man is the mirror, and his height is 1.5 meters and is away 0.4 meters from the mirror. This is mirror and this distance is, see, 0.4 meters, and the tower is 87.6 meters away from the mirror. That means the distance from this point and the tower is, that is 87.6 meters. Then the question is, what is the height of the tower? Let the height of the tower be x, and we will join this point and this point. Okay, let it be A, B, okay, C, D and E. In this case, we will prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Then we will use the ratio of corresponding sides. Then we will get the answer. See, we will take angle B is equals to angle D. Why? Because this angle B is equals to angle D, both are equals to 90. When we are taking the shadow or distance between the bottom and the mirror, we will take 90 degrees. So in the triangle ABC, angle B is 90, and in EDC, angle D is 90. Another angle, this angle is equals to this angle. Why? Because angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. That means angle ACB in the first triangle is equals to angle ECD in the second triangle. Why? Because angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. By using this concept, we will say that these two angles are equal. In these two triangles, two angles became equal. Then automatically by criteria AA, that means by the property of sum of angles, then the third angle will also become equal. Therefore, three angles will become equal by the criteria AAA. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Now, by using the concept of similarity, we will take the ratio of corresponding sides. See, for the side AB, you have the corresponding side ED. Similarly, for this side BC, you have the corresponding side DC. We will take only two ratios which are useful to us. Then we will leave the third ratio. Therefore, this implies to AB is 1.5 meters by ED. Where is this ED? ED, that is X, that is equals to BC. BC is 0.4 by DC. DC is nothing but 80. This is 87.6. On cross multiplication, you have X value. X is equals to, see, first do the cross multiplication. 1.5 into 87.6 by 0.4. That is equals to, X is equals to, if you cancel this one, see, you have point here, you may assume it as 8876 and you may remove this point also. Therefore, it will become 4. Nothing but multiplying with 10 in numerator and denominator. Then this will become 4. So, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 3 4 9s are. Therefore, you have X is equals to 219 into 1.5. I will multiply this. 15 9s are 135. 13 will be there. 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 13 will become 28. 2 and 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. After how many points you have to place the decimal? See, after only one digit. So it will become 328.5 meters. We assumed the height of the tower as X. Therefore, height of the tower is equals to 328.5 meters. This is the way how to find the height of the tower. We will solve one more important problem, then this concept will become very easy to you. This is the third problem. It is very important problem. See, they are saying that AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. See, this is the BD. They have given the diagram also. This is the side BD. For this side, this AB, this PQ and CD are perpendicular, and they have given some values for AB, CD and PQ. For AB, they have given X. See, I will write X here, and they are asking, show that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equals to 1 by Z. This seems difficult, but it's very easy. We will prove that triangle ABD and PQD are similar. From that we will get one equation. After that we will show that triangle CDB is similar to PQB. Then we will have some similarity, some equality, some relation between the two equations. Then we will conclude that. Let the length of this BD is, let it be A and this is B. Distance, the distance from here to here A and this is B. Now I am taking in triangles, okay, in triangles ABD and see triangle PQD. I am taking two triangles ABD and PQD. I am going to prove that these two are similar. In this we have angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Because they said that these are perpendicular, means they have 90 degrees. And if you observe, this angle is common to both the triangles ABD and PQD. Therefore you may write angle ADB is equals to angle PDQ. Angle ADB means this is the angle we are going to represent, and PDQ both are same, and these two angles are equal. Then by the property of sum of angles of a triangle, third angle will become automatically equal. Okay, therefore three angles will become, therefore by AAA criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. Therefore we may use the results of similarity of two triangles. I will take ratio of corresponding sides. For this side AB, corresponding side will become PQ. Therefore AB by PQ is equals to, next one comes, for this BD the corresponding side will become QD. Therefore BD by QD, that implies 2. That implies AB value is X and PQ value is, where is PQ? This is PQ and its value is given as Z. That implies to BD. BD is nothing but A plus B. Therefore I am writing as A plus B, and by QD, where is QD? This is QD, its value is nothing but B. Therefore you may take subject as, see, and cross multiplication B into X will become Bx and Z into A plus B. So on doing this calculation, Bx is equals to multiplication Z into A ZA plus Z into B ZB. That implies to, I will take this one this side. Therefore Bx minus ZB is equals to ZA. On doing, I am taking B as your common factor, you will have X minus Z is equals to Z into A. Otherwise you have the value of A as B into X minus Z by, see, this is Z. Let it be equation number 1. Now we are going to prove that in the similar manner, Triangle CDB and PQB are similar. In triangle CDB, comma, triangle, see this is PQB, you have angle D is equals to angle Q. Why? Because they are equals to 90. In this case also have written 90. Let it be 90. Okay. And this angle B is common to both the triangles PQB and CDB. Therefore, angle CBD is equals to angle CPBQ. We have to write it common. Why? Because common angle. Therefore, two angles became equal. Then automatically the third angle will also become equal by using the criteria, by using the property of sum of angles in a triangle. Therefore, third angle will also become equal. Therefore, by AAA criteria, we say that by AAA criteria, triangle CDB is similar to triangle PQB. I will use the ratio of corresponding sides. For the side CD in the first triangle, you have PQ as its corresponding side, therefore PQ. Similarly, for the side BD, therefore BD by, see this is BD by, corresponding side is BQ. That implies to CD is nothing but Y here, and PQ is Z. So that is equals to BD. What is BD? Again, BD is A plus B by BQ. Where is BQ? A. In this also, I will find the value of A, then I will substitute here, then we will get the answer. See, in this case, I am cross multiplying. A into Y is equals to AY, therefore Z into A plus B. I will carry forward this value here. So A will become, A is equals to, that implies to A is equals to Z into A plus B. Otherwise you have to multiply this one. Z into A will become ZA. See, this is AY. AY is equals to Z into A, ZA plus Z into B will become ZB. In this, I will take this one, AY minus ZA is equals to ZB. If you take A as your common factor, therefore it will become Y minus Z, that is equals to Z into B. Therefore, from here, A value will become Z into B by Y minus Z. So let it be 2. In 1 and 2, you have A values. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 you have same value on left hand side, therefore right hand side will also become equal. Therefore here B into you have X minus Z by, this is Z, and that is equals to Z into B by Y minus Z. Okay, on both sides you may cancel B also, and if you multiply this, see this X minus Z into Y minus Z is equals to Z square. Is it or not? See, Z into Z will become Z square. Now I am multiplying this. X into Y will become XY. X into Z minus XZ. Okay. And finally minus Z into Y minus ZY. And this minus into minus will become plus. That is Z square is equals to Z square. On both sides you may cancel Z square, and I am taking XY is equals to, this minus XZ will become plus ZX, minus ZY will become plus ZY. So this is the equation I got. Now on both sides I will divide with X into Y into Z. That means if you divide, I am taking here XY by XYZ, that is equals to XZ by XYZ plus zy by xyz. If you cancel xy, you will have 1 by z, and also here this is z 1 by y. Here also you may cancel z. That implies 2. 1 by z is equals to 1 by z is equals to 1 by y plus 1 by x, so which is similar, which you have to prove. So in this way you may prove 1 by z is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y. It is very easy, very simple also. I hope this video is helpful to all of you, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. If you encourage me, then I will make more videos which are helpful to everybody. We will meet in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.